Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this headband wig from Luvme Hair. It was sent to me. It's 18 inches and is straight. First, I wanted to show you guys how it was constructed. This hair is kind of like a half wig, but with a headband attached to it. And at the ends, it comes with Velcro, so you guys can tighten it how you want. Now on the inside, it comes with combs. One at the top, one at the bottom, and then one on each side. And I will say it doesn't come with adjustable straps. The wig did also come with these two cute headbands, one in white and one in navy blue. And before I did the video, I just went ahead and slicked my hair back in a ponytail. Now, when I did apply the wig, the first thing I did was make sure that the combs were in so that my wig was nice and secure. I wanted to make sure that this bad boy was not going anywhere at all. So I'm just making sure that after it's secured and in place, I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't too far back or too close to the front. And then once I got it perfect, I just went ahead and took the Velcro and tightened it as tight as I could, as again my head is small, so it was pretty secure once I fixed it. Although the wig did come straight, I just wanted to add some curls and some body to it. So these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me curl my hair and give this wig some life. And this is what the wig looks like now that I'm done curling it. This is such a cute get up and go kind of wig. And I wanted to show you guys the different headbands. This is the navy blue one, super cute. And this is also the white one that also came with the wig. This is just another headband that I bought a long time ago, just to show you guys that you can switch it up with any headband that you have in your closet, just not the ones that they give you. Now I want to show you guys different hairstyles that you can do with it, besides just leaving it all down. The first hairstyle that I want to do is like a half up, half down type of look. I just wanted to show you guys that this wig has some versatility to it. You guys can do a half up, half down, a bun, a half up, half down bun. There's so many hairstyles that you guys can do. This wig is perfect for beginners, even for my ladies who don't like wearing lace fronts all the time and just want to take a break, because I know sometimes I do myself. It's even a get up and go type of wig. This wig has so much versatility. You can do so much with it. And that's the finished look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. See you guys in my next video.